are pleased to show you the 2022 Escape. This vehicle is powered by a front-wheel drive, 3-cylinder, 1.5-liter engine, and comes with an automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 3,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: tire pressure monitor, turbocharged, blind spot monitor, electronic stability control, heated mirrors, alloy wheels, aluminum wheels, remote engine start, rear spoiler, power lift gate. Inside you'll find backup camera, heated steering wheel, smart device integration, keyless entry, satellite radio, auxiliary audio input, keyless start, steering wheel audio controls, heated front seats. Come take a test drive today.